What is up, behind the screens fans? This is Ryan here. Here's Kalahari's new construction. This is where their water slides are going. We're in Coaster Master Media's car right now.
So
his Jeep. Yep, there he is. I'll link him. But it's dark. We couldn't have filmed this at the worst time of night. We're gonna go and have some fun, but just thought I'd give you a view.
wow, it's raining.
And it's raining. Well, that's huge. Wait, this is an outdoor section, right?
Yeah.
Okay, they're not expanding the entire building, okay. I'd say that might be a little impossible.
No, keep following the road around.
Okay.
You're in that parking lot right there.
Okay, so there's what the slide pieces are. If you guys can see,
I can
you
go
guys
straight here, can I?
see that?
I think you can, maybe.
Is this a restricted?
Oh, wait.
Okay, that's a turn.
Okay. I
Okay.
think I can turn.
So there's a slide piece. That's a huge slide piece.
Let me drive around the corner here and see if there's anywhere I'm allowed to go in.
Okay. I doubt it. I mean, it's nighttime.
Oh, wow.
Oh. That's what we need. We need lightning. That could help. We just sit here until we get a good shot. This is the unedited. Like, I normally edit my videos. This is the... Oh, yep, there. Okay, there we go.
Okay, it's just a parking lot. I thought this was some restricted area.
Okay, so we're gonna... This is a behind the screens, I guess, exclusive, brought to you by Coaster Master Media and Jake. So let's... Wow. That looks mass. Those are some massive slide pieces.
Those windows don't work.
I wonder
Sorry.
if there's those LEDs in these like cedar points.
That's pretty cool.
Because they're being built by the same people as doing Cedar Point.
Wait, who's doing Cedar Points? Is it Rocky Mountain?
No, Rocky Mountain don't do water slides.
Yeah, they do.
No,
Yeah, they do.
they just put them together. They don't
Oh,
manufacture.
Okay. Well, okay, so this is Whitewater West. Sorry, behind the screens is not a water park affiliation. If you want to know who does water parks, go to coasternet.com and click on Water Parker's profile. That's who does water parks. And in fact, we are official sponsors of them, so we have to always link the Water Parker recap. And and then here's your parking lot on ride POV. Where are we parking?
I'm not sure yet. Are we going up here, Jake?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go around.
Oh, am I going around the side by the convention centers?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that'll do it for another not so edit. This is not going to be edited at all. Like, I'm not going to have any fancy outros because of well, I don't exactly have a computer I could put that in. So yeah, it'll be up. And everyone should check out our winter chill out coverage, both me and Coaster Master Media, and I will see you soon. Bye.